Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So today we are going to take a quick look at the newly released Redmi 12 Turbo. And this video is not going to be any in-depth, alright, just a first look, a fast first look. And tomorrow I'm gonna do a very detailed review about it, like camera performance, everything. Or what do you want to know? Just let me know down in the comments. So in this video is just a first look, okay? Let's get started. Alright, so this is the front. One of the highlights 12 Turbo boast is the narrow bezel. It's really narrow bezel. It's even thinner, even narrower than an iPhone 14 Pro. We will know that's maybe not true, right? But anyway, let's take a closer look. Not that like fantastic or amazing, but still looks thinner, and especially it seems the four bezels have the same width, so it looks great. Seems like okay. That's the bezels. Okay, the design that is just great. On top, they have the 3.5mm headphone jack. Also the infrared blaster. That's great. At the top, a very typical Xiaomi design, right? Power key, that's also the fingerprint scanner, and also the volume key. That is the back, the camera module. And this is this color. When you turn to different angles, you can see this kind of special pattern. I would say deep blue color. The black color, they have this pattern as well. It's not like a total black, pure black, as you can see. They have that kind of lines embedded in it. And the phone features the second generation Snapdragon 7 Plus. The Antutu benchmark should surpass like 1 million according to the facial info, but I don't know. I will test that tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. So first, let's just take some photos. Okay, photos. Okay, portrait. Let's check. Seems fine, but the edge seems the process a little bit rough. But it looks not bad, right? Okay. Like I said, I will test much more tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. You suppose 5 times. Okay. Oppo. That's it. I will test much more tomorrow. So that's for today. Let me know what do you want to learn more about this Redmi 12 Turbo. Just let me know in the comments. I will do that for you tomorrow. Alright, that's first look. The guys, they're already cleaning the room now. So I have to leave. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.